Jury selection in the Shawn Tyson trial ended yesterday, and today those jurors heard opening arguments in the case of the two British tourists shot and killed in Newtown last year. SNN Local News 6 reporter Jim Spiewak has more.
Shawn Tyson, the man charged with killing British tourists James Couzeris and James Cooper, listened to opening arguments Thursday. First up, the prosecution, where they set the facts of the case.
There would be a projectile recovered from James Cooper, and there would be two projectiles recovered from the body of James Couzeris.
After 30 minutes of opening arguments by the prosecution, the defense wasted no time beginning to discredit the state's star witnesses and diverted the attention away from Shawn Tyson.
The weapon mentioned by Mr. Brodsky by the state of Florida is tied to Joshua Bain and Marvin Gaines, not Shawn Tyson.
After opening arguments, witnesses were called to set the scene of Carver Court, the street where Couzeris and Cooper's bodies were found in the early morning hours of April 16th. Nukara Kino was driving her car on Carver Court that night and testified to what she saw.
And as you drove back around, what did you see?
One white man curled up on the ground.
Jurors saw pictures of the bodies in the crime scene as evidence was admitted and shown to the jury.
Do you recognize the contents?
Yes, I do.
And is that the wallet of James Couzeris?
Yes, it is.
And is it in the same, substantially the same condition as when you collected it on April 16th of 2011?
Yes, it is.
Just as he has for the last 4 days, Tyson sat in his chair, expressionless.
And Lena, Joe Hallett and Paul Davies are two British residents who were friends with Cooper and Couzeris. They started a charity and their names already raised a lot of money. They're over here in the States right now listening to the trial in person. We asked them for some comment earlier today. They denied our request, but they said maybe later in the week or later in the trial, but it'll be interesting to see if we can get the reaction as the trial goes on. Lena?
And Jim, at this point, is this the first time you've seen any of the friends or family members of the victims?
That's right, Lena. This is the first time. So they are here, they are in the States, they are listening to the trial, but again, they're just not talking to us right now at this time.